In my video tutorials, training courses, and coaching programs, I want to give new and aspiring organizers all the skills and confidence they need to start a successful business. I know sometimes folks can get overwhelmed by all the parts and pieces that go into having a home organizing business. So in today's video, I want to make things really simple by just talking about the one thing that your business needs to be successful. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. I help you live a life with less clutter so you can have space for the things that truly matter. At the end of the day, the one thing that your business is going to need to be successful is clients. If you have happy clients that are either going to hire you again and again or refer you to their friends and family, then you will have a successful business. To that end, there are 3 things I want you to focus on. The first one is simply attracting the right type of client. In order to attract the right type of client, you will first want to know what type of jobs you'll be good at. There are many types of professional organizing specialties, from staging to moving to working in closets and kitchens to working with digital clutter and financial paperwork. I call this developing your niche, and that simply means evaluating your skill set and experience to determine what you are already good at and use that as a launch point to developing your home services business. Many people come to professional organizing as a second career. For example, if you've worked as a housekeeper or a nanny, it may be an easy transition to now organize kitchens and closets and develop maintenance strategies for your clients. If you've been a stay-at-home mom or worked as a teacher, it may make sense for you to work with families and moms of school-age kids and develop productivity tools for better household management. If you've worked in the legal or investment world, it may make sense for you to help your clients manage estate and financial paperwork or develop file systems. If you've worked in retail or design, it may be easy for you to stage your clients' homes to create a more beautiful environment. It's possible you are already an expert in something and can use that experience as the foundation for attracting the perfect client. The next thing I want you to do is ask yourself, how will this perfect client find me? There are lots of options to market your business, more than ever imaginable. Now, you don't have to do everything, but I do want you to think about where your perfect client may hang out. Maybe you'll find them on a Facebook group that supports active moms. You may find them at a face-to-face support group for caretakers of aging parents, where people talk about legal or financial struggles when dealing with someone else's estate. One of my favorite ways to draw attention to my business is to network with related businesses that are already working with my perfect client. I can educate them on the type of services I offer and then ask for them to refer me to their clients when they think I'll be a good fit for us to work together. If you cannot find an existing group where your ideal client is already hanging out, you can attract a group of those clients by offering a workshop or seminar. I've given workshops through my public library, church groups, mom groups, garden clubs, even at my local charity thrift store. You can do these in person or virtually using Facebook, Zoom, or another video conferencing tool. Get creative and think of ways that you can speak to an audience of your ideal client. My third bit of advice to you is to keep in touch with your ideal audience and ask for more business. It is easier to follow up and work additional jobs with your ideal client than it is for you to find a new client. After your hard work is paid off, keep in touch with your client so they know where to find you when they have future work for you or a friend who also needs your type of services. You can keep in touch with your clients digitally, like on social media, or creating an email list. You can also use good old-fashioned methods of communication like mailing handwritten notes or checking in with people by phone. Lots of ways work. The most important thing is just to follow up with your customers. Be sure to ask for referrals and even incentivize your clients to share your information with their friends and family members who could also benefit from using your services. Let's stay in touch. Get my guide and never run out of ideas on how to develop and market your business. I can email you with updates on upcoming tutorials and live stream events. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.